Late.
Oh, you're laughing at it.
Just down a little bit. Yeah,
This one, like that.
yeah. Hold it in your teeth. In your teeth. Yeah, that's it.
A lady. Kadaiba. It's nice in there, oh. Jen.
Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. Australianang Bisaya. Why are you laughing? These are what the flowers are. Ay, kaya. It's a video and video.
Yeah.
So look what it is.
Oh, that's a good one, Jen.
Hello, hello, hello. From Australia to the Philippines. Welcome. So I'm gonna have my horse ride. I'm gonna kick this one to run. So I don't have ladder, so I can get out.
Jump.
I cannot jump. Oh, that's nice. So let's go. Hello Philippines. Hello Australia.
Crookwell.
I'm here in Crookwell, Australia. So I'm staying in a nice place in the outdoors. 120 acres. So wow. So thank you Annie and Chappy and Harry for this opportunity riding with the the first time that I ride a horse.
Just look this way.
Look this way.
Stand, patindugan.
Stand up. Stand up. Up. Stand up. Come on.
Sit.
Sit.
Ah, good. Good. Guys, another day na naman. So, welcome. Mag-walking kami papunta sa whole place talaga. So, come on. Samahan ko niyo ako para makita niyo kung anong kaganda yung lugar dito. So, nagpapahinga sila guys. They're sleeping. The balls. Oh. Wala bang tagsapa? Magting ulan. Alright. Huh?
You alright then?
Sa bato?
Yeah.
Masunod ako nimo. Oh la 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 la. So good.
They'll dive bomb racing. Look at this. See? They might have a young one.
Oh.
They lay their eggs on the ground.
Rosie, what you been doing?
We were getting close.
Just jive. So this one they will drink the water from this one. No? So we're going for a walk now guys. We're going to the Pacific. So yan. Yung sapa-sapa or tunaan para sa mga bull or carabao. Walang carabao dito. So sabi fun. Mata kog tips guys kung sa mga kadalagahan diya nga gusto maminyo og foreigner no. Una, pangita magingani kadak-ang ang lupain. Joke. Oh my god. No, tender loving and care. Bonus na lang ni magsiyari. Flowers, but it's poisonous for the animals. So look. Ito ako like this guys. Look.
you pair want to get in there and I'll take a photo.
Mm.
You're in amongst it or?
Mm. Super beautiful. There's another pond.
Oh, I forgot that in there.
That's Rosie. Rosie. Oh.
That's one split, that's an island there.
Mm.
That's one split, and this one.
She would like to pull herself. Nakakamiss magtanom ng humay. No? Pretty good. There's a... Is that alright to swim here?
I've got all these rocks, I've got to build some dams.
Ah, dam. Yeah, that's cool.
Stop the road.
Hmm.
Rosie, come.
Come here. Rosie. Oh. Rosie. Here, this way, here. Rosie. Here, this way. Hmm? Oh. Hoy. Come on. Come on. Oh. It's on the other side, guys. So, naglayo-layo na dyan among nalakaw po. Pero, enjoy kaayo. Gusto na ko ang lugar kasi nagdako ko ngayon ani ang lugar. So, ang lahi lang. Okay. There is Australia.
So I've got all those rocks.
We'll see. So, now where's the water from, no? Where's he? Come on. Come. Come here. Uy, pwede mo siya katamnan o humay, ano? Kay kuanon ba? Basa.
But it's
Kotas na kaayo, guys. Pero makaya pa. Kotas means hangak. Pero kaya. Good exercise. Hapit na ko magpangumpra, guys. Pito-pito. Pito naman nasa kaadlaw sa makasweldo na taon yung hapon, no? Hindot kayo ang lugar, man. Thank you. Best experience. Beautiful flowers. So we're going back now to electricity line on. Yun o, yung palabad nga dagko kayo. Windmill. So one wind generator.
they're building, I see those ones there.
Yeah.
They're building more further out.
Oh yeah.
And the landowners here, they get money from you know, if you've got windmills on your property. Isn't that gorgeous?
Oh, very pretty. I said, a few stops, she said more. beautiful. Oh my gosh. Very friendly. Mayroon kayong baka diri guys, kay friendly. Sa ato manggukod sa Pilipinas, no? Magkaratil gitag dagan kung makita tag baka sa Pilipinas. Lahi kitag laputan pero diri they are very friendly with others. There's a baby. Yeah.
Look at the other.
Oh.
Is that her cow?
Yeah, how many?
Yeah.
There's 3 babies now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
There should be only 8 cows. That looks tiny.
Hmm.
Oh yeah.
She's had a cow.
Yes.
You're joking.
You didn't even really notice, no? 1.
See,
We
she's
didn't say that
She's talking to
yesterday.
Hmm. That's
You
my
don't know
baby.
that, right?
Huh?
We didn't say this yesterday.
They're all coming.
Look at the udder. So how did she
It's
get
coming in the back. Hello. Friendly guys sila guys. Look. Na kami sa tilola day duha ka. 2 babies duha na ano? Dira.
Where?
Dia duha ka brown.
Ah,
Iba kapon isa ra.
Dohan.
Duha na no. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, the other one
It's
there.
definitely her calf. Look at her.
Yeah. But this is my mom.
But we didn't say that yesterday.
No.
Oh no.
Yes, you wanna scratch? Hmm?
So
I
that's
said you would do milk.
Maybe still only 8 heifers, so that's all right.
So look at that friend at the back. And there's another friend there.
See, because we fed them yesterday, they're hanging around.
Oh, they thought that we got some food.
Look at Rosie.
But we got none.
I'm not
Where is
coming
she?
down there here.
Why?
She's a sheepdog.
Ah, sheepdog, not the ball one. Oh, look at that. So, hello. Sorry, we don't have food.
Yeah, sorry. I thought you were She just seemed out of it. I don't know where she's got a
Siya
car.
sa usa ka ball, sa kakao. 15,000? 15,000, no? Huh? $15,000 kaya ang isa. Ang isa.
I bet you they're hiding in the grass there.
Hmm? That's funny kung matumba. Uy, alright. Sa videoan. There's another dam or patik. Oh, they're drinking. Drinks.
See?
That's the cow, the bull or cow drink there. And there's one there. You have the baby too. Inom og tubig. Haru ka Rosie.
That'll be the mother. Rosie? Just there. Put it on video.
Oh yes, yeah, I can see that.
See it? Now walk towards it slowly. then she'll take off with all the little ones.
Ah, mother duck. Oh, there she is. She's still laying an egg. Can I come a little bit closer? That's a baby duck. The hawk.
Look how close she
Oh, look. He's trying to look, Rosie. He's trying to get.
See this one drag Rosie away like a decoy?
Yeah. It's a bird.
Yeah, it's a duck,
Ah,
but it flaps it and flies low. So Rosie follows it and gets away from the young ones.
Oh, that's why. That's very smart.
So she's like a decoy, you know.
Great job, Rosie. Hello. You protect the small ones, huh? Swim.
Scared the living daylights out of me. I knew they were there, but still scares you.
True. Rosie, come on. Oh, 1, 2, 3.
7. Oh no, 8. Skitch him. Get him. Skitch him.
Look.
Skitch him up. See, she won't go swimming.
Oh no.
She's a sook.
Just go in the side.
Get him. Skitch him, Rosie. Get him.
Go. No.
Skitch him up. Get him. Look. Get him. Skitch him.
Yes,
Skitch him.
it's just waiting in the side. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Get him. Skitch him. Get him.
Come on. So fun.
As long as her feet are touching the bottom, she's
Yeah, it's very smart. There he is. Oh. Oh, poor.
See, she's decoying again.
Yeah, true.
Isn't that incredible?
Yeah, it's very protective,
And it
huh?
works. See, look at the way she's dragging
Yeah.
away from.
Wow.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
You scared? Oh, look at them. Look at them. It's right, Rosie. Hello, nice to meet you.
What's happening there, Rosie? Is he chasing you?
Oh, you'll be friend. Oh my God. What did you do? You scared? Oh, so funny. Rosie, you're the star. Look. What? What's going on? Oh, they're playing, huh? Say hello. What did you do, Rosie? Oh my God. Hello guys, taas kayo may nilakwan good, lingaw kayo. Pero kapoy, kaya. So, hanuli nami. Thank you diyan, ni Ani, ni Chappy, or ni Harry. Ang sinantag-iya ning farm, guys. Ang brother-in-law ni Ani. So, arang dako ajud. Lahi ra kayong farm diri og sa Pilipinas. So, more videos later. So, thank you. It's a good experience. Makawala og homesick sa Pilipinas, no? Come on, come here, Rosie. Come on. Come in. Hello. Here. Rosie. It's my friend Rosie. Rosie. Oh, what's the sounds for? He's standing. So thank you for watching. So yan yung forma sa farm sa Australia, guys. So the baby. The baby boy. Thank you. So guys, relax after sa long walk. This is really good. Naikot namin ang buong area. Yung 1,200 acres naikot namin. So thank you very much for everything. Thank you, Ann, for bringing me here. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, hello guys. Naman akong pangubra karon. So, naka 2.50 na akong adlaw. So, lingaw kaayo. Wala kong nasa Pilipinas guys. Ang kalayan lang, dili ako ang farm. So, need kayang experience. Parang relax, kalma lang. So, good experience. So, next time, I'm gonna come back. Thank you. So, next time again. Thank you. Thank you. Let me Tiga Filipino. Tingnan mo itong mga Pinay guys. Kung kahit saan-saan lang abot no. Layo kayo gagyamtan. Grabe o. Mga happy 3 hours no. Bilis mo traffic. Abot nagbihay sa malayong lugar kami. No? So, yan. So, sa mga kadalagahan yan, nga nagunahuna mag-asawa o foreigner. So, tarangan yun yung pili nga okay yung mga Paris nga may mo na dakong kalupaan. Kaninat kayo magpuyo sa my farm. Good experience. It's time to go home. See you later. Thank you for watching. God bless. Very nice. Stone. The shape it, no? There's more. With a bush fire. Lord, look at that. It's like a mountain stone. Beautiful. Creatures. Oh my god.